Life gets busy. Between work, errands, and trying to sneak in some gym time, the last thing you want to do is scramble for healthy meals. That's where meal prepping saves the day. By planning ahead, you can avoid last-minute fast food temptations. Control your portion sizes without guesswork. Stay consistent with your calorie goals. Plus, it's like giving yourself the gift of extra time every single day. Talk about a win-win. Hey there, Fit for Travel's family. Are you ready to crush your weight loss goals while saving time and money? Today, we're diving into one of the most game-changing habits out there, meal prepping. Whether you're a busy bee, a travel lover, or just someone looking to make life a little easier, this one's for you. Now, let's face it. Okay, let's break it down into bite-sized steps. 1. Pick a day to prep. Most people love Sundays or Mondays, but choose what works for you. 2. Plan your menu. Think balance, lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and loads of veggies. 3. Shop smart. Write a list, stick to it, and don't shop hungry. Trust me, it's a game changer. 4. Batch cook. Use simple recipes that are easy to scale, like baked chicken, roasted veggies, or quinoa. 5. Pack it up. Grab your favorite meal prep containers and portion everything out for the week. Pro tip: don't forget to mix it up. Rotate your recipes weekly so you don't get bored. Not sure where to start? Here are a few simple and delicious ideas to get you going. Breakfast: overnight oats with chia seeds and fresh fruit. Quick, filling, and so tasty. Lunch: grilled chicken with sweet potato and steamed broccoli. A classic for a reason. Snacks: pre-portioned nuts, boiled eggs, or veggie sticks with hummus. Dinner: baked salmon with quinoa and roasted asparagus. Each meal is packed with the nutrients you need to feel full and fueled throughout your day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What if I get bored of eating the same thing? Easy! Prep 2 to 3 different recipes and switch it up. I don't have time. Start small. Even prepping snacks or one meal a day is a big win. I'm not great at cooking. No problem. Stick to simple recipes with 5-ingredient magic. Motivational push. Remember, progress over perfection. Every step you take gets you closer to your goals. Here's the deal. Meal prepping is all about making life easier, not harder. So, here are a few final tips to keep in mind. 1. Label your meals with dates to stay organized. 2. Invest in a set of microwave-safe and leak-proof containers. 3. Keep your spices and sauces handy to add variety in seconds. And remember, you've got this. Starting is the hardest part, but once you get the hang of it, meal prepping will feel like second nature. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to crush your fitness and travel goals. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite meal prep recipe? Until next time, stay fit, stay fabulous, and keep prepping for success.